Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Cricut Heart, and I'm back with another album, and I'm still working through my find from Tuesday morning. I'm still using the Utopia from Authentique. So I'm going to link to my other projects that I've made with this. So far I have made a explosion box. I made a folio tabbed album thing. And I am now making this album as well. And I still have like 6 or 7 sheets of paper. So I don't even know what I'm going to do to try to finish that up. But I do have a little bit left. So this album measures 4.5 by 6.5. So it fits 4 by 6, pictures really well. So the front, I just have some of the cut aparts here, along with some flowers that I actually had in my stash that seemed to go pretty well. And then I had this burlap trim that I got from Hobby Lobby. So I used that. The pineapple paper is the last sheet I had of that paper. And then when you open it up, I have the cut aparts here. And then these spaces right here are left open so that you could place a photo in there, or you can even put a photo and something else in there if you wanted to. So this opens up like so, and then this is like a belly band. So you can put a photo right here and it will stop it from falling out. And just places for photos. Everything is very similar. And then each one of these sections has a mat. And you just pull out the mat. And I'm not going to pull out all the mats, I don't think, for these. Those are all basically the same. And then this side, same thing. I just kind of have this open for pictures right here. And then, of course, I have the mat here out of the side. And again, just to kind of liven it up, I put those there because otherwise it was pretty plain. Because I don't have a ton of paper left. So I have to kind of be a little bit creative. That's that. And then, of course, I have my mat here. And then I've got this page. It's got the mat here. And then, all of these will fit your pictures very, very well. Right here. Then it opens. And then this part, of course, is open. So you could place a photo right in there. And like so, and opens up, and then it closes right here. And then that is my album. This is what I kind of call my basic album. It's one that I can make very quickly. I think I made this from start to finish, including decorating, about 2 hours. It's like a 2-hour album, so I could do this one very, very quickly. It's a real basic album. And then I didn't cover it with cardstock. I just used the paper since I had 12 by 12 sheets. If I was using a 6 by 6 paper pad, then I would cover it with cardstock first and then just place my paper over it. But since I had 12 by 12 sheets. So I'm going to try and do 1, maybe 2 more projects with that. And I hope that you guys stick around for that. And I'm thinking about having just a little giveaway, nothing, too crazy. And I hope that you like this album. And you can look for this collection at Tuesday morning because I got a lot of use out of it. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Cricut Heart.